Good morning, everyone. It's Mrs. Edgett. Today is Monday, April 6th, and it's been a while since I've seen all of you guys. Before I go over this document, I just want to say that I miss all of you, and I hope you're all doing well. I've spoken to some of you here and there through Google Classroom and Flipgrid. If I haven't heard from you yet, you can hop on the Flipgrid to say hi to everybody. It'd be just good to see everyone's faces. So I wanted to go over the expectation for this week and next week, and then the rest of, the time that will be virtual. This week, the week of the 6th, is going to be a review week. Before next week on the 13th, everything is mandatory. So I have some assignments for you this week. They're simple, but it's kind of just to get us ready for next week, so we're ready to go. This assignment here, this Google Doc, is in Google Classroom. So I'm going to post this on the stream, and you'll be able to click right into these links to get into these things with easy access. So for this week, what I want you guys to do is you're going to be studying for your vocabulary quiz, and you're going to take this quiz next week in a Google form. So I thought you guys could get studying. These were the words that we left off before we were all, sent home. So we're going to be doing the Walk to Moons chapters 12 to 22 vocab quiz next week. And since you guys will be at home, you can really choose any day to take it next week. You don't have to take it on Friday if you don't want to. But in here I have all the study tools. So we have our study guide, our Quizlet, and our quizzes. So everything is staying the same as if we were in the building. So this week I want you guys to get studying. The other assignment, number 2, I want you to log into all of these websites below because I want to make sure you can get into them before we start next week. So this is your second task for this week. I want you to be able to get into Get Epic, Flipgrid, NoRedInk, Scope, and IXL. Okay, I give you all the links to get into them and the codes. If you're having trouble at all getting into any of these, just shoot me an email, comment on Google Classroom onto this post, and I will get right back to you because I want to make sure we're all in. For IXL, I know a lot of us have been on IXL practicing, but some of us still have not gotten in yet. So I want you to go ahead and log into IXL. And this login and password, they're a little bit different than our normal ones. Your password's totally different. So if you lost that login information in an email from a couple weeks ago, just ask me and I will get that to you. So that's it for this week. It's pretty simple. What I would like you guys to do, if you were able to get into all of these, to shoot me an email just to tell me. That way I know you're good to go. Let's see anything else. And then next week on the 13th, I will be sending out a Google Doc that looks like this. It's going to have all of our assignments laid out very organized for you guys to follow. And we're going to be picking up with Walk to Moons and vocabulary. All right, well, I hope this video, clarified some questions that you might have had. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. All right, have a great week.